This is the first truck. As you can see, it's full.
It looked like an abandoned building, unfinished walls, quiet surroundings. But inside, authorities say, was over 3 billion naira worth of banned and unregistered cosmetic products ready for distribution. This is Crime HQ. And tonight, we investigate how a concealed warehouse in Lagos became the center of one of the largest cosmetic seizures in recent months. According to the National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control (NAFDAC), enforcement officers uncovered a warehouse at the APT Trade Fair Complex in Lagos State. But this was no ordinary storage facility. The location was reportedly hidden inside an uncompleted building. Inside, officials say they discovered 728 cartons of Crusader soap, 718 cartons of E45 soap, extract gold whitening soaps, assorted perfumes, body oils, cooking oils. Some of these products, according to NAFDAC, are banned by the federal government. Others were described as unregistered or substandard. Estimated value: over 3 billion naira. Cosmetics are not just beauty products. They are chemical substances applied directly to the body. When unregulated, they can contain high mercury levels, hydroquinone above safe limits, steroids, industrial-grade bleaching agents, contaminated oils. Long-term exposure can lead to skin thinning, organ damage, kidney failure, hormonal disruption, cancer risks. This is not just economic crime. It is a public health threat. APT Trade Fair Complex is one of Lagos' busiest commercial hubs. Products move quickly. Distribution networks extend beyond Lagos across Nigeria and even into neighboring countries. If these goods had entered circulation, the scale of impact could have been massive. The fact that the warehouse was allegedly hidden inside an unfinished structure suggests deliberate concealment, though investigators will determine intent. NAFDAC confirmed. All seized products have been evacuated. Distribution has been halted. The warehouse manager has been invited for questioning. Further regulatory assessment is ongoing. At this stage, no formal conviction has been announced. Investigations are still active. The agency has not publicly named individuals beyond referencing the warehouse management. Under Nigerian law, those responsible, if proven, could face heavy fines, imprisonment, asset forfeiture, business closure. But that determination will come after investigation and possible prosecution. Nigeria's cosmetics market is worth billions annually. Skin lightening products alone represent a significant portion of the market. Demand creates opportunity. Opportunity attracts counterfeit networks. These operations often involve smuggling, fake labeling, product refilling, repackaging expired goods, importation without regulatory clearance. Many consumers never realize the difference. Packaging can look identical to authentic brands. Beyond health risks, counterfeit and banned products undermine legitimate businesses, reduce tax revenue, hurt registered distributors, damage brand trust. 3 billion naira is not a small operation. That suggests supply chains, logistics networks, distribution points. This may not be a one-location issue. NAFDAC has advised Nigerians to remain vigilant, verify product registration numbers, report suspicious activities. Consumers can check NAFDAC registration numbers, batch codes, manufacturer details, official distribution channels. If a deal looks too cheap to be true, it probably is. When goods are stored in incomplete buildings, they avoid regulatory inspections. They reduce visibility. They delay enforcement detection. This indicates possible intent to operate outside formal oversight, though investigators must confirm that legally. The warehouse manager has reportedly been invited for investigation. If sufficient evidence is gathered, charges could follow. Under the NAFDAC Act and related consumer protection laws, penalties can be severe. But for now, this remains an ongoing investigation. Crime HQ will monitor for Formal charges, court proceedings, broader network exposure, an unfinished building, 3 billion naira in products, and a warning about what may be circulating in everyday markets. This case is not just about cosmetics. It is about trust, regulation, and public safety. If you suspect fake or unregistered products in your area, report them. Because behind every counterfeit product is a potential health crisis. This is Crime HQ, where we investigate the systems behind the headlines.
But this is the first truck. As you can see, it's full on